If you are a G Suite Apps for Education user, you already know that Google Classroom allows you to create classes, distribute assignments, and communicate with your students all in one place. Explora, EBSCOhost, and EBSCOdiscovery Service are now compatible with Google Classroom, making it easier than ever for you to share articles and multimedia content with your students. In this tutorial, we'll use Explora to show you how you can find, save, and distribute school library resources to your students using Google Classroom and Google Drive. Let's begin by conducting a search from the Explora homepage. Enter your keywords in the search box, then click the magnifying glass to generate a list of results. Select the article you wish to share to Google Classroom and click Access Options to select either the online full-text or PDF full-text link. Now, click the Share icon in the Tools menu at the top, and then click Google Classroom in the Share menu. Assuming you are already logged into your Google account, Google Classroom will launch in a separate browser window. Choose the class to which you intend to assign the article. Choose Create Assignment, then click the Go button. Enter a title, instructions, due date, and topic for the assigned reading. Then click the Assign button. A confirmation window will appear. Click View to see the assignment in Google Classroom. You can also save articles directly to Google Drive and link to them from Google Classroom at a later time. From the full text viewer, click the Share icon and then click Google Drive in the Share menu. If you have not yet saved EBSCO resources to Google Drive, you will be prompted to allow EBSCO.com to view and manage the files in your Google Drive. Click the Allow button to proceed. A panel will appear to confirm that your article has been saved to Google Drive. Your articles are saved to Google Drive in an EBSCO folder. To learn more about Explora, visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.